Welcome to our English lesson. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use would have had. Would have had is used to talk about a past situation that didn't happen, imagining what someone would have possessed or experienced if a certain condition had been fulfilled. Let's understand this better with some examples. I would have had more time if I had woken up earlier. We would have had a great picnic if it hadn't rained. I would have had enough money for the shoes if I hadn't bought the jacket. You would have had enough rest if you had gone to bed earlier. We would have had no problems if everything had gone as planned. You would have had a delicious meal if you had come earlier. We would have had a better view if we had sat in the front row. If Dad hadn't been working late, he would have had dinner with us. I wouldn't have had such a messy room if I had cleaned up yesterday. I wouldn't have had cold showers if the water heater hadn't been broken. You wouldn't have had a stomach ache if you hadn't eaten so much last night. I would have had the report ready if you had informed me earlier. He would have had a better childhood if his dad hadn't been drunk. I would have had my homework done if I hadn't gone out. We would have had the deal finalized by now, but at the last moment the client changed his mind. We would have had better marks if we had listened in class. I would have had a scholarship if I had scored just a little higher. I would have had the driver pick you up if I had known you were coming. If necessary, I would have had the shopkeeper hold the items at the shop until I returned. I would have had less back pain if I had had the ergonomic chair. I would have had money left over this month if I hadn't needed car repairs. Thanks for watching.